alright, John. We're
Calm
coming.
down, John. I can get over to him here.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
Oh, John, don't do us like that. Okay, DJ, we said. No videos today. No videos today. No, stay. I probably need that, bro.
Sorry to interrupt your episode, but why aren't you subscribed? YouTube tells me that 60, 70, 80% of you are not subscribed, but you watch. Subscribe, please. Thank you.
Trial and error.
Alright people, welcome back to another episode of Citéh. You know what's going on, we're live. This week 6, maybe 7, whichever week it is, just know that it's been a long old season, tough one to take, bitter pill to swallow. It's been peak, you understand, but right now the rebuild begins. Trial and error, like my version at the beginning of the video shows you. Yeah, so anyway, you know what it is, man. It's time to go dancing. Put the dancing shoes on. Let's dance. Time to boogie on the dance floor. Little one off the backboard. Into Jacob. Jacob rolls her out. Into Claudio. Plays it to Ashton. Ashton was one of the tryers on the day. Plays smart. Gives it into me. I give it into Claudio. I trust him. Maybe I shouldn't have. 1-0 probably against the run of play, but you know what? Things happen. Straight off the back, we're trying to get back in there. A little flick outside doesn't come into play, but now they're coming forward. Liam puts his foot in there, not Chippindale, but tryless Liam. Will we see him again? We'll never know. I'll let you lot put in the comments. Let me know, yeah, how these trylists are getting on, yeah. You lot put in the comments and see if they're any good and if they should be here. But yeah, man, there's Liam and there's X passing it back to Jacob, keeping it safe. We've seen Fuller before, he knows it's quite direct to us to get a shot off. They keep it safe. Jacob into Claudio at the back, puts one round the corner. Doesn't hold it. From attack to defense. They just work the ball. That's what Claudio thinks of it. 2-0, just like that. So much for having the ball and trying to make things happen at the back and that. But we have to go forward and also get some goals and that. Right now the balance isn't looking too on. But anyway, we've got Fuller. Lucky.
No turn.
Claudio's had enough. 3-0, losing his head. It's not good.
Well done, Claudio.
But there's a rock at the back. You see when he's on form, yeah? You can see what he does still. Does bits and bobs, but here we go. $4-0. Jesus Christ. Chairman on the sideline, look, I know that we started off well and then it's kind of all gone downhill. Probably in hindsight my fault as well, making two subs of two players that I've never seen play, bringing them on together probably in hindsight, so you know what. But again, this is where mistakes had to be made at this time now. The last couple of weeks in the season, they'll be players in and out. I kind of have a rough idea of what players I want for the next campaign. But like I said, man, it's trial and error.
Was it 3-0?
The reboot begins.
It's the real deal. Help me. Help me.
Help me, help me.
4-0. Liam tries to put one into X. Just doesn't react. No motion at all here. Look, little one. Tried to get it back. Fire that one over. 4-0, and at this point, yeah, man, they're having the way of the land, but X is starting to look like he's coming into things a bit. Gets his body in there, brings the ball back, and we start again. At the moment, they seem they're up for it right now. 4-0. Do you know what? Yeah. Kinder are always a team that when we come against them, they always seem to be like ready. They're a well-drilled team, and they move the ball about, they score goals. They're quite clinical, to be honest. So when you come against them, if you're not ready to go machine for machine, then
it was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
5-0 puts on through my letterbox. Disgust me. But Ashton said, you know what, my boy, I got your back. Little hold up play, trying to make things happen here. Shots off. It's blocked. Looks like when they're in defensive mode, then they're kind of a low block. See that touch there? Brilliant. Still, if we finished it, it would have been quality. 5 now. I'm on the sidelines. Sounding like I can't breathe. Need an asthma pump. Need something, bro.
Time. God, we need more forward movement. God.
5-0.
But someone's got to cover him. Look, who's in behind?
And do you know what, yeah?
It's too easy.
I agree with him. 6-0. Claudio's lost his head. I've lost my head on the sideline. At this point, it's too late to turn back. We're not even at half time yet. Actually, we are. April 25th, I'm fighting for charity. Cancer research.
I don't get it. If there's 3 players, why are you trying to roll with the ball? It doesn't make sense. No one's messy. We can't run past 3 players, bro. It's up the passes.
Yeah, we have to keep the ball better. Let's keep the ball better. Go.
They defend well, so the way to keep it is break them down.
When we're defending, one to 2 at least behind the ball, innit? And we always got to watch our backs when the run. If they're getting the runners, they're having joy. 3 runners just running them behind, and we'll just let them go, innit? You have to do your job as 2 in the back and 2 like sitting in front. But when we're attacking, if we can, 3 go up, because we need to get goals, we need to score, we get opportunities. We need to forward run. But yeah, let's limit the damage. What's the start, bro?
Alright, half time over, man. Let's get back to business.
Man, doesn't let us get a breather in that.
Not gonna lie, there's still time to come back if we get one first, which we need to still. Anyway, they're looking to play keep ball. You can see what's going on there. They're not shy at keeping the ball there. But you know what? Time to put some work in. Claudio, show them.
Finish you.
Six-1. Still time. 5 goals in us. 100% if we play like that, we can get there. Right, that one just goes wide. Whistles past the post. Anyway, 1, 2. X needs to hold it there. Kind of goes face to face with the ref there, man.
Good fella.
Then there's someone smoking something, but the pack that's
Action
there,
happen.
it's loud.
Anyway,
Anyway, the boys up top trying to make something happen.
stay highest man, Claudio. There you go. Ashton, good. Well done, X, finish. Good.
X forcing a mistake and Claudio punishing. Got 2 goals in us.
Quick up. X, let's shoulder.
Every week, yeah, I see these and make up new rules every week. You know, I think everyone needs a quick rundown of the rules again. Still, I never knew you can't. What is on the floor, man? Just kicks it away. What you're saying? That's a free kick to the opposition.
Finish.
I hear it. He slipped. You get me? But there's other rules man's heard as well. Like, hey, Jacob taking one to the dome there. It's a great save though. And you know what? Yeah, I know Jacob's happy that was a save and not a goal. 6-2 Kinder seem to have woken up now. They're coming forward, pressing. They keep getting shots off, whistling past the post. Is that because our formation is good on a block? That they're trying to aim for these corners and not making it happen, but things are going on. Anyway, we're pressing them on their side of the field now. Bit of battling, they come forward. I get there though. Hey, just heard Follow on the sideline telling someone we ain't conceded this half, and it's facts. 6-2 and we're keeping the ball well. And the pace of playing that, yeah, we're controlling things, which is probably what we should have done first half.
Hey.
Anyway, 6-2. Fouls don't win games. Neither does percentage keeping the ball in that. Goals win games. They get the next one. 7-2. Trial and error. Error and trial. We're here and lo and behold, we're still trying to pop shots off. We don't give up. We keep getting to the final whistle, you know. And have a great touch. Finish just wasn't adequate. X seems to have woken up now. He's getting his long legs involved. Just lets his man skip past him. Ashton back doing the dirty work, picks it up, gives it to X. Again, it's not quite adequate.
When we lose, these boys look forward to it on the Friday evening. When they finish work on Friday, this is what they look forward to. Isn't it, Carl?
I'll tell you a joke, I won't tell you a lie. It's big facts. Opposition, people who come down Power League, everyone that plays here, even people that work there. This is their Friday evening. When it drops, when it don't drop, everyone's upset, and I understand that. I would be too.
Another one.
High ball! I will take the high ball. Fucking hell.
At the time, I never saw that Jacob hit his head again
John, well done, John. Hey, John, well done.
until he came out holding his head like that.
Don't let him talk to you like that, John. Don't let him talk to you like that, John. Did he? Hey, Jacob, you're right. I had concussion, ref. Give us a second. Hold it, lads, hold it. Good.
Gotta look after our players.
2 of you, turn.
That little sharp one that was, you know, a little sharp run around the corner. Got there, little 1-2, gets it back.
Good, you. Unlucky.
Shot off, it's blocked. Like I said, it's unlucky. But look, every time they come forward, they seem to have one lingering upon the side, you understand? I'm quite open and honest about things, man. It's been a poor display still. But look, the trial is starting to wake up now and realise this is the big boy leagues. You gotta show up. Dylan gets upset about his shirt being pulled. How many times he pulled mine?
We'll take the foul. What about the foul?
Don't worry, John, you'll see it now. 7-2. There's Liam putting his body in the line again. I don't know who this kid is. I've never seen him play for them, but hey, he was good still. Hey, do you know what? I was on the sidelines and I looked at him and I said, "Oh," and I thought that was the boy Chippindale. I'm not gonna lie. Lanky, black boots, black jumper. I thought, yo, that's my dog. Realised he's not as good. 8-2. And somehow, some way, there's some small movements that we're making. Yeah, like you can see some bits, some bobs. You get me, but it's not clinical enough. Hey, Jacob with a great save. He's taking 2 to the head, 1 to the chest. Not gonna lie, if they were bullets, he'd be dead. But Jacob, a strong boy. Yo, 8-2. 9-2, I'm not gonna lie, we're full-time looming. That's how it ends, man.
It's only football, isn't it?
No, it's not. Winning, bro. Andy, bro. Yeah, they play together all the time. So, it's a tough one. It's tough to play them, especially as a new team you come together. First, what? Was it 10, 15?
First 5 was really good.
First 5, really good. And from there, no power, innit? But
Trial and error.
what can we do, innit? Go again next week. Oh yeah, photo. Let's take the photo, innit? Liam, photo, innit? Take a photo every week. Yeah, man. Win, lose, draw, we gotta take it, man. We gotta show up.
Sorry, lad, sorry.
If we don't show up, you know, we're going for a rebuild right now. We're going for a crisis. They're calling me Amarin. I'm trying, man.
Can you stop talking? Please, thank you. Are you ready? Everyone ready, yeah?
I'm ready. Yeah, man.
Well done, boys, man.
Huh? Nah, that's Team Isaac. Is he? His headlock is gone. Who they playing? Gracie? Gracie? Who they playing? Yes! Hey. It was tough. How's your head? That's the most important thing. I know you took one on the post and then one on the front. Yeah. Even it out. What am I missing? The ball. You got the ball? What's out there? My water.
I'm useless on bench.
See you next week.
See you next week, my boy. Hey.
Nah, go on.